Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Acura TL battery. Before you begin, always prioritize your safety by wearing protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure your Acura TL is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. The battery is usually found in the engine bay, often on the passenger side. Taking these initial steps will help ensure a smooth and safe removal process for you. Now, let's disconnect the battery terminals. You'll need a 10mm wrench for this step. Always start by loosening the negative terminal first, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Carefully remove the negative cable and secure it away from the battery so it doesn't accidentally reconnect. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. It's crucial that neither cable touches any metal parts of your vehicle. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery hold down. Look for a clamp or strap at the base of the battery that secures it in place. You'll typically need a 13mm socket wrench to loosen the hold down bolt. Once the bolt is loose, completely remove the hold down mechanism. This will free the battery from its tray. Remember to keep all removed parts organized, as you'll need them for reinstallation. Finally, you can carefully lift the old battery straight up and out of the engine bay. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing between 30 and 40 pounds, so remember to lift with your legs, not your back. Before installing a new battery, take a moment to inspect the battery tray for any corrosion and clean it thoroughly if needed. Always ensure proper disposal of your old battery at a certified recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.